Okay, so looking at 3i, first thing to do I think is split that square root into power of the half. And then we can separate that out, x to the half, y to the half. Then we've just got our other two terms as per. We can then differentiate that using the product rule. V, which is just the y term, multiplied by du, so differentiate that x term, plus u, which is just x to the half, multiplied by differential of that, so it's a half y to the minus a half. Because we differentiate that, we multiply by dy by dx. Then x goes to 1, y squared goes to 2y, and we multiply by dy by dx equals 0. Then it's a case of trying to simplify and write things more neatly. So we'll take the x to the minus half to the bottom, the 2 from the half goes to the bottom, same goes there, times dy by dx, other two terms come down, and then we're factorising dy by dx is out, so move everything else to the other side, so minus 1 minus y to the half over 2x to the half. Factorise out dy by dx on the left hand side, so we're left with root x over 2 root y plus 2y. And then, because we're going to be dividing by that bracket on the left hand side, it's useful to write that as a single fraction. So we want it all over 2 root y. So the root x stays as it is. So we've got 2 root y on the bottom. And then we multiply 2y by 2 root y to put it as a single fraction. Do the same on the right hand side. Putting it all over 2 root x. Then we take the right hand side, divide it by the left hand side. Take all that over. Keep, change, flip. And that's just a case of multiplying together, combining terms and simplifying. If we times root y by 2 root y, the root y's become y. On the bottom there, root x times root x becomes x. And then here we've got 8 y root x. Two things we can do now. One is combine the root x y's into a single root, kind of the reverse of what we were doing at the top. It looks a little bit neater. Root xy. And then we've got a factor of 2 in every single term here. So we can cancel that out because it's a factor of every single term.